Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentary. Thursday morning, it's March the 9th. It's crop report day, and we'll be talking about this report information as it develops on Twitter and our text message service to our clients. So make sure you follow us on Twitter at Midwest Markets and get the latest market information. Now, we do have a little bit of news to report this morning as far as grain trade ahead of the supply and demand report out. Export sales are very strong for soybean meal. For corn, 32.8 million bushels, beans at 18.9, and wheat at 15.9 million bushels, all within trade expectations. If we see a little bounce off of this news, should be in the meal market where we were stronger than expected. There was also 120,000 corn sale announced to Japan this morning, and will help the corn market out. I don't think you're going to see a lot more selling pressure. The deliveries have eased in the corn, but maintained some pretty heavy delivery numbers in the soy products, and that's weighed on beans, meal, and oil futures here in recent days. CONAB was out this morning. 107.6 million metric tons is their estimate of the Brazilian soybean crop. That's up from 105.6 previously. 89 million on corn. That's up from 87.4 million metric tons previously. We are looking for production increases in Brazil today for both corn and soybeans. I don't think you'll see much changes in Argentina at this time. I really don't think you'll see much in the way of changes here in the U.S. either. As far as ending stocks goes, the USDA is likely to wait to make major changes at the end of this month. Quarterly stocks and acreage numbers should be the major market movers. So look for a little bit of weakness in the soybeans. This morning we've had some overnight. We'll see a little bit more ahead of the report, maybe some short covering lifting us right before the report's release, going into it at 11 o'clock. The livestock trade should be interesting once again. Opening bell right now, ahead of the opening by 25 to 30 minutes here. We're looking at 75 to 80 cents higher in the April cattle futures on some hedge lifting after the cash trade developed yesterday. We're seeing 125 to 127, steady to $2 higher, and 202 to 204 on a dress basis. That is $2 to $4 higher. So futures very erratic yesterday. We're looking at opening 75 to 80 higher, as I mentioned, and from there, not sure what's going to happen. If we'll see a lot of selling start to come into this market, if we're going to take a run at those old highs, see how aggressive the short covering is and the buying interest this morning. First 5 minutes will be pretty interesting, I think, in this cattle market. Otherwise, weather's still effective for the winter wheat plains, still weighing on prices as it looks like rain coming into the winter wheat belt this weekend. We're hearing reports of farmers starting to plant in Kansas City area, in Missouri. There's a lot of field work being done, and weather's been very, very ideal. So temperatures expected to warm up in the Texas Panhandle regions. So this rain event for the winter wheat crop is going to be pretty important. We need some moisture down south. All right, we're going to sign off, but have a great day. Good luck and good trading, everybody. This has been Brian Hoops from Midwest Markets. Talk to you soon.